A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir amri wahlul 'uqdatil lisani yafqahu qawli. In the name of Allah, who is most merciful, gracious, loving, and forbearing. He is our creator, our sustainer, provider, carer, cherisher, nourisher, and very loving to us. He loves us more than 70 mothers. And the salutations to the Prophet, peace be upon him, his companions, his households, his devotees, and his inter alia friends and his followers. On the eve of last sermon of peace be upon him, he said at Hijjatul Wida, I am leaving two things among you, Quran and Sunnah. If you will follow it, you will be victorious and leaders throughout the world. On the eve of the sacred festival of peace, of birthday of peace be upon him, my heart is booming to share my inner feelings with my friends. I think Quran is the only one book in the universe who discuss every aspect of life. It also discuss about the human body, its evolution, its embryology, physiology, anatomy, and its evolution and its different stages in the womb of the mother. It also gives a practical life to human beings. It also tells us about the social and civil life, criminal and inheritance laws, and all aspects of life it discusses. It also tells us about astronomy, about galaxies, stars, sun and surya and moon. It is a comprehensive and complete code of life. It tells us the cultures and history of different nations which has been passed. It tells us their end as well. It gives a very golden rules and very good footprints to us. If we follow, we will be victorious and we will be distinguished throughout the world. As well as the Sunnah is concerned, it is the practical implementations of Quran. And Prophet whole life is the practical implementation of Quran. And if we will follow the Sunnah of Prophet peace be upon him and his lifespan, we will get a lot of knowledge to spend life in this world. And his life is a very good code of life. It code a life for us. On this commemoration of the birthday of peace be upon him, I will give suggestion to our human beings. We should follow Quran. We should read Quran with translation which you can understand. You don't blindly follow to the sects and different groups, religious groups. They are exaggeration everywhere. I will give you suggestion you should follow the Quran and Sunnah of peace be upon him, and we should be thankful to God that we are the part of this Muslim Ummah. It's a very blessing, in fact, that we are be a part of the Muslim society, and we are the followers of Prophet peace be upon him. And God says, I will give you redemptions in in the doomsday who are Muslim, and they have good deeds as well. These are two basic things of success. First is the Kalma Taiba, La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, and second is Amale Saliha. And on the occasion of Milad, I will give suggestion all my friends, all my colleagues, that you should read the Sunnah peace be upon him, and become a good Muslim. May Allah grant us ease of all Muslims throughout the world and shower His blessings to all Muslims. Thank you very much for listening.